welcome to day 3 of week number 2 of the Rebuild Your Core series. Wow, my kids are coughing in the other room. I hope you guys are doing well. Today all we need is a mini resistance band loop, light to medium weight. If you don't have one, it's okay. It'll be totally fine without one. So let's go ahead and get started with some sideline breathing. Go ahead and take 5 breaths here with me. I hope this breathing is getting easier for you. I hope you can feel your breath going where it should, into your back, into your ribs, into your pelvic floor. If not, it's okay. Be patient. It takes time. One more breath here. Go ahead and switch to the other side with me. And inhale. Make sure there's space here. We're not collapsed into the ground. Last breath here. All right, awesome. For our first exercise, we're going to be doing a tabletop bridge. So we're going to be holding ourselves up in a tabletop. So with this, you want to make sure we're not collapsing or dumping into our shoulders here. We're pushing up with our upper back muscles and our shoulders. So before we get started, go ahead and inhale, exhale, set that core, pull that pelvic floor and core up and in, come up to a table, and then we are going to hinge at those hips and push up with those glutes. Doing 10 of these. Exhale on your way up. Inhale. Exhale on your way up. Inhale. Again, we don't want to be feeling this in our back. Use those glutes. There's 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you're hinging at those hips. That will help it come out of your back. 9, 10. Good work. Okay. Now we're going to come up to our back. We're going to be doing some heel slides. So if you want to use some paper plates or something, you totally can. I'm just going to be using my heels. So go ahead and inhale, exhale. We're going to make sure we're keeping our headlights pointing straight ahead. While we slide that heel down and exhale as we come up. One leg at a time. Inhale. 3, 5. Doing 8 of these. There's 6, 7, 8. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Pelvic floor up and in. Zip up that core. And 1, 2. Keep those headlights forward. We don't want to be rocking those hips back and forth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work there. Now if you have the band, go ahead and put it around your knees now. If you don't have one, again, no big deal. Don't let not having the perfect equipment keep you from doing the exercises. We're going to come here into clamshells, which sometimes clamshells can be felt in the wrong spot. So we don't want to feel them deep inside of our hip. We're going for this side muscle here and that large glute muscle. So sometimes it can help to shift forward a little bit. Make sure this top knee is a little bit in front of the bottom knee. We're going to inhale, exhale, bring that pelvic floor up and in, and we're only doing a small motion. We're not coming all the way up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Keep that knee, this top knee, a little in front of that one. Inhale, exhale, pull the floor up and in. And sometimes it can help to put your hand on that glute muscle to kind of get that mind-body connection of, oh yeah, this is the muscle we're using. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. Okay, back to that tabletop bridge. Remember, we're pushing up with that upper back. So inhale, exhale, pelvic floor comes up and in. Zip up through that core and hinge at the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, heel slides. Go ahead and inhale, exhale, pull the floor up and in, zip up through the core, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. Go ahead and grab that band. Come on your side. Bring that top knee in front of the bottom knee. Hand on your glute and inhale. Exhale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. And inhale, exhale. Pelvic floor comes up and in, zip up through that core. And hand on the glute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. Let's come into our cool down. We're going to start with tripod rock back, which is kind of similar to the adductor rock back, but now we're going for our hamstrings. So stick that leg out in front of you, and we're just going to rock back. We're lengthening that hamstring. So pelvic floor tightness is often associated with hamstring tightness. So we want to make sure they're not too tight. Last one here. Other side. My knees are popping. All right, inhale. Exhale as you come back. And again, we're not tucking under as we come back. We're making sure that tailbone is going straight back to the wall behind you. Last one here. Now we're going to come into pretzel stretch. So lay on your back with me. Put that leg over in a figure 4 position. Bring that bent knee up. You're just gonna hug that foot to your chest and breathe. One last breath here. All right, other leg, go ahead and switch. Bring that foot towards you, breathe. Two more breaths here. All right, now we're gonna come into our final 3 breaths. I think I'm gonna bring my knees to my chest for this one. You can do whatever position feels best for you in your pelvic floor. Go ahead and take a few inhales for me. Last breath here. All right. Thank you for making time for yourself today. I hope that your core is starting to feel stronger. This stuff is starting to make a little more sense, and I will see you next time.